Hello family, my name is Phapha and this is my channel and I welcome you all to it. Today we'll be talking about turmeric milk and how to prepare it. But before we get into the preparation, I want to get to know our ingredients and how beneficial it is to our health. So guys, the first ingredient we'll be talking about here is my almighty turmeric powder, and as you know, I love using the Patanjali turmeric powder. Yes, we are using turmeric powder because turmeric gives instant reliefs and it also relieves any chest congestion, and turmeric is also good for blood purification. It has other benefits though, but today we're talking just about those three benefits. So our next ingredient is black pepper, and I use the Patanjali black pepper. I love the Patanjali black pepper because it's purely organic. It's not powder, it's purely organic in the container here. Using black pepper because black pepper help boost the absorption of nutrients. So any nutrients that will be found in our turmeric milk, black pepper will help our body absorb every nutrient in there. Black pepper is also very good for the brain, and it's also having other benefits, but for today we'll stick to just the two benefits. Yes, this is the honey I use. I use lifetime honey. I use lifetime honey because it's very easy to use. It's in sachet by sachet. It's pure honey, no added sugar, no added preservatives. And we'll be adding honey to our turmeric milk because the research has suggested that honey is as effective as the tetramethaphone, and it's a common ingredient in over-the-counter medication that you get for cough or cold. So you see, honey is just the best sweetener for us to use. But if you don't like honey, you can just go ahead and use sugar, the milk itself. So I use the Lactel milk, and I use the Lactel milk because it's pure skimmed milk, no added preservatives, no added sugar. And as you know, milk contains amino acid, and this amino acid is very good for the body. And we are using milk and not water because the turmeric powder contains curcum, but to activate the curcum we have to use milk. So that's all the ingredients we'll be using, just 4 ingredients for our turmeric milk. Now you know the ingredients and how beneficial they are to our health, so we can just go into the preparation. So we'll start off by pouring in the milk. 1 cup full of the milk here. That's a cup full, but 1 cup full will not be enough for me, so I decided to use 2. 2 cup full. Then we'll now add our turmeric. For the turmeric I'll be using, you can use as to taste, but for me I'll be using half teaspoon of turmeric. So okay, I'll now add the black pepper, and it's 4 barely crushed. So for the sweetener or the honey, you can just use to taste. So I've decided to use 1 because I don't want it to be too sweet. I decided to use 1 sachet. You see, 1 sachet of honey. So that's it. So now we'll just put it on fire and leave it to boil. Our turmeric milk is on fire, and you can now see it's changing color. So at this stage you can just take it off. Don't let it boil too much. Don't let it boil too much. Then you just take it off the fire and put it down for like 5 minutes. Strain it, then your milk is ready. So now I've left this here for like some minutes just for the ingredients, will I say the shafts, to settle under it. So I will now just strain. So guys, if you want any of the products we are using, you can just get in touch with me on any of my social media platforms. The links are there in the description section below. My WhatsApp contact is also there. Let me know if you want some so that I can help you get at a discount. Our turmeric milk is now ready for consumption, but remember to always take it hot or warm, not cold. Turmeric milk is not only good for cold and cough, but also turmeric milk can help in a whole lot of ways. Turmeric milk can help boost the immunity. It stabilizes respiratory ailments, and it also relieves cramps. Like seriously, my ladies, this is not for joke. Turmeric milk relieves cramps like crazy. Menstruation cramps can be very painful. So the next time, my ladies, you feel menstruation cramps, drink a glass full of turmeric milk and see the results. I'm telling you. Let me know your results in the comment section down below. And yes, turmeric milk is not only good for cramps during menstruation, leg cramps and any other cramps. Turmeric milk is there to help you. I hope you guys love this video. Give me a thumbs up if you love it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. See you guys on my next video. Mwah.